Hello everyone, I'm just down at Red Beach on Bribie Island. Just going to show you all the driftwood along here. And further up ahead there's like an amazing little hut that someone's built. I can't remember the name of the guy who did it, but here's one of them. And just along the whole beach there's driftwood. How beautiful that looks out there. And I'll take a photo of that really amazing hut and stick it on underneath this video. It feels really good to be out in nature. As always, it always lifts me up, clears my head. It's beautiful and peaceful. So I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are too.